Hi, welcome back. And in this part, I would be sharing with you what we call it as the outlining note taking method. Now, under this, you would see that it is also called, in fact, the outlining method is also the traditional approach of writing your own notes. And here they say that it uses headings and bullet points to organize the topics. Now, especially, I have seen some of them are really good at making the notes in the form of the bullets. They don't like to write in the complete sentences, and when bullets are there, it becomes easier for them to understand and proceed further. There are various advantages of it, like allows notes to be neatly organized, and it is easier to see the relationship between topics and the subtopic, easy to turn points into study questions and highlights the key points, and then it helps you to retain in your own memory also, because bullet points, it's not the complete sentence, it's just the focus point is there for you and you're able to proceed from there, and then gives a proper and a clean structure to your notes also. Now here what they do it is, when they are using this particular method, I've observed that they have one heading. Below that, they have the main bullet point, which can be marked as a star mark, and below that the dots are kept so that they are able to jot down. Place the first subtopic below and indent it slightly to the right side, so you go further step by step. Now here we can see it, and what are the pros and cons of this. It is not suitable for certain subjects like chemistry and mathematics. However, in social sciences, arts and humanities, this method is usually used where they can take care of it. Now, it doesn't work well if the attendant lecture does not follow this particular structure. Now, if it does not, then obviously you cannot carry forward of it. Now, this is the outlining method that I was talking about. Now, here you can see the date is there, main topic, subtopic, key point 1, number 2, and then comes the subtopic number 2, and under that again the points are being allocated. Now, when should you use it? This is best in variety of situations. However, it will work only if the lecture and the class is in a clear structured format. If it is not, then you cannot utilize it. Now here also they have maintained it that dash or indented outlining is usually best, except in the scientific areas, especially for physics and maths, this will never work out. Then you can see that yes, this is the sheet of the register that have been shared with me, and here you can see the traditional format is present, the body language and the oral presentation. This is the main heading, and then what is the for example, if they're taking up the body language, which conveys the state of mind, it is a handwritten registered sheet, then the movement, then the main headings of it, then facial expressions, what is happening, gestures, then what are the points, then the posture, what are the points. So you can see that how well they have made the notes, and it becomes easier for a person to understand it. So this is basically a very short introduction about what exactly mapping method is all about. I think let me go further and introduce to you another method. Till then, thanks. Bye.